everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's side, I made a corn pudding and I made it with a twist. This is going to be spicy and smoky and sweet, and I am so excited to show you how to make it. So come on, let's put this together. For the ingredients for the corn pudding, there is quite an array of ingredients here. So I'm just gonna take it from the top. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, a 15-ounce can of creamed corn, 3/4 cup to a cup of frozen corn, half a cup of cornmeal, about half an onion chopped, which is roughly half a cup, 2/3 cup of milk, 1 large egg, a tablespoon of sugar, half a cup of shredded cheddar, some salt and pepper. I am doing something a little bit different with mine. I will be adding a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and about a 1/4 cup of diced jalapeno peppers. We're going to start by whipping the cream cheese and then adding every ingredient in one at a time to mix it together well, with the exception of adding the frozen corn, the onion, peppers, and shredded cheddar. We'll do that later and fold it in. But just keep adding all of the other ingredients one at a time and mixing it well. I should have used my KitchenAid mixer with the paddle attachment, and the bowl that I'm using is a little too shallow because everything is going to start splashing everywhere. So if that bothers you, I apologize. I just did my best here to get through it. This is a buttered 3-quart dish. I couldn't make this dish in a smaller portion because at my local grocer they ran out of 8-ounce cans of cream of corn. So I had to use a whole 15-ounce, but that's okay. I think my husband will really like it. I'm going to take another half cup of cheese and just spread it over the top. Cheesy, smoky corn pudding. This will go in at 350 for 50 minutes. All right, this is fresh out of the oven. It is piping hot. And I don't know if for a corn pudding you necessarily need this like cheesy, crusty, cheesy layer on top. I know people who really love that. And my family member who makes this, they make it with the cheese on top. So I am going to give this a try. This is one of those dishes that I have every single year at a family member's house. This has so much flavor, plus the sweetness from the corn. It is so good. It was really easy to put together with the exception of me using the wrong bowl and splashing it everywhere. But it turned out really good. This is like another Midwest casserole dish or holiday side dish that I've had every year, and it's pretty good. In the next videos, I still have a few more holiday dishes that I want to share. If you like what you're seeing, please give a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and being here, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks, bye.